Glide line process typically starts with our Impact Configurator that can be downloaded online to get you rolling. The whole premise behind Impact is to give you some tools that'll help you maybe do an initial design, give you some numbers to make sure we're working in the same budget that you have for the project. So it starts with Impact. Impact is unique in that it also works with Solidworks to help you build your models in 3D. That's really beneficial because it allows you to kind of design on the fly while you're also monitoring your budget at the same time. Once you've completed that process and you feel like Glide line is the right choice, we have a full staff of applications engineers. At that point, we typically get involved. We'll go through the process, do the design with you, also working in Impact to develop a complete solution that fits all your needs. Hopefully bringing up some different options that you may not have known about or seen on our custom solutions page on the website. So there's a lot of things where our applications team can really help out and further what you've already developed. Once we get through that, then we're into the stage where you're looking to issue a PO. At that point, our customer service representative, Michelle Brennan, gets involved, and she takes the ball from there, working with you to make sure that your confirmations are received, the PO is exactly what you had expected, and that we're maintaining our lead times, shipping a product out on time.